I'm Nini. I'm a PhD student at LSU, MIE department. Now I'm working under Dr. Stein's supervision in the iCORE lab. So it's mainly about control and vibration. So before I came here, I completed my master with Iramas Mundu Drive Master degree from Europe. Originally, I came from Burma, aka Myanmar. So at the moment, my projects are about control, vibration, related to computer vision, AI, and machine learning stuff. So yeah, it's really exciting. That's almost everything.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Maharjan. I'm a master's student here at LSU doing mechanical engineering. I'm working with Dr. Stein. We are a team of graduate and undergraduate students here at iCORE, working on drones, specifically capturing road drones, doing applying control algorithms with computer vision to predict where drones could go.
Hi, my name is Dutch Dunphy. I'm currently an undergraduate student here at the iCORE lab. I am majoring in mechanical engineering, and as far as my work here at the iCORE lab, I'm mainly focused in helping the graduate students with CAD work mainly and modeling. I'm starting though hopefully to move more into simulation methods. I'm very excited to learn. I'm very thankful to be working under Dr. Stein, and I'm excited for the opportunity.